Ever pondered on the mystifying concept known as the sigmoid activation function in the realm of data science? Well, prepare to unravel this intriguing mystery as we delve into a comprehensive understanding of this fundamental concept in the data science world. Scene script. Imagine the sigmoid function as a smooth S-shaped curve. This curve has a key role in the domain of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's a mathematical function that helps us map predicted values to probabilities. It outputs a value between 0 and 1, which is beneficial in models where we have to predict the probability as an outcome. Step 1. Let's understand the sigmoid function formula. It's expressed as fx equals sine 1. 1 plus e circumflex x. Here, e is the base of natural logarithms and x is the input to your function. Output. Step 2. It's time to delve into the behavior of the sigmoid function. When the input x is large, the output of the sigmoid function approaches 1. Conversely, when x is small or negative, the output of the sigmoid function inches closer to 0. Step 3. Let's understand the application of the sigmoid function. It excels in binary classification problems. In these scenarios, the output of the sigmoid function can be interpreted as the probability of a particular sample belonging to a certain class. The beauty of the sigmoid function lies in its ability to not only predict a categorical outcome, but also provide the degree of certainty, which can be quite insightful in various applications. Output. To recap, the sigmoid activation function is a mathematically elegant tool used in data science, especially in the fields of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's an S-shaped curve that maps any real-valued number into a value between 0 and 1, making it ideal for binary classification problems. This function helps to predict the probability of a particular sample, providing a level of certainty in its prediction. So the next time you come across the term sigmoid activation function, you'll not only know what it is, but you'll also understand its significance in the world of data science. Remember, data science is not just about understanding complex algorithms and functions, but also about knowing when and how to apply them. Stay curious, keep learning, and watch as the fascinating world of data science unfolds before your eyes.